Seafood Guys, home of the Wild Alaskan Seafoodbox.com. We are back for another episode of Simple Seafood Recipes, and we're taking a little break from some of the recipe stuff today, and we've been getting some questions about what is it like up in Alaska as a commercial fisherman, life on the boat, all of that stuff. So today is July 2nd, and it's really making me think of all the fishermen up in Bristol Bay right now. I spent a lot of time up in Bristol Bay doing the sockeye salmon fishery, and so the 4th of July typically is considered the peak of the fishery up there, really when things are getting crazy. But I want to talk to you guys about, it was just making me think of the years that I spent up there as a deckhand, and we would always start the fishery up in the Nushagak district. So there's multiple river districts up in Bristol Bay where you fish and you target sockeye salmon. So up in the Nushagak district, so we're on a 32-foot boat. That is the limit. That's the maximum size that boat can be to fish or participate in the Bristol Bay fishery. And then we're gill netting. So it's a gill net. We're picking the fish out of the net. There's 3 to 4 people on the boat, so you guys can probably start thinking that it's really tight quarters. You're rarely getting a shower. If you're lucky, you get to hop off onto a tender when you have time and take a quick shower, or you might be able to do a really quick, like 30-second, minute-long shower on the boat, but not many of the boats, the actual fishing boats, have showers. So hopefully I'm painting this picture of, it's not too pretty up there, and it gets really smelly, and you're with the same people, and you're tired, and you guys are around each other for a long time, and so it can be a really tough environment. But up in the Nushagak district, there is, when I was doing it, and it typically happens up there, but when I was fishing, it was consistently happening year after year as I was a deckhand. So it was really before the season peaked. There was a time up there where we called it Zombie Week. So it was a period where the district was just pretty much wide open. So we're fishing around the clock, and you're not getting much sleep at all. So it could go anywhere from like 3, 4, 5 days up to about a week. But you're just pretty much rocking off of a couple hours of sleep, and things get really goofy. You remember waking up, having dreams. I remember waking up one time actually screaming because I was having this dream where the net was piling up on me. But anyways, I'll never forget that. I'll never forget those times. Spend all the time with the guys up there, working extremely hard, being completely exhausted. But those guys that are up there right now as we speak, all that stuff is happening. We're wishing them the best. We're super excited to get our sockeye salmon down here for the 2020 season. Typically by about August is when a lot of that salmon starts coming down here to the lower 48. But just wanted to fill you guys in, tell you a little bit about what it's like up there in Bristol Bay as a deckhand on these small boats. And we're wishing the best to all the fishermen up there and everybody in the seafood plants, making this happen so we can get all of this amazing seafood to you guys. Thank you.